I seen on Facebook about this dog that probably fell over the cliff or is lost somewhere. It's an elderly dog. So I responded, and initially I was going to fly my drone, but after seeing the terrain, I said, no, the drone's not going to work. So as you can see, I bought my rope to rappel or climb down the cliff into the ravine and hopefully try to find a poor dog. So Miriam is here with me over there. As you can see, Miriam, she's walking ahead of me. And we're gonna give it a go to see if we can find this poor elderly dog.
It's a beautiful area.
Well, this is it. This is where I go down into the ravine down here. As you can see, it's a pretty big ravine. Hey Shirley. Oh my God, I found the dog. I found it. Oh my goodness. Shirley. MJ, can you hear me?
Yeah, you're good.
I found her.
No.
Yes. She's at the very bottom. She's shaking, but she's looking at me. I'll bring her up in a few minutes.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Yes, I got her. She's been down here for about 5 days now. And I just found her. Oh my goodness. Hey girl, it's okay. It's okay. Come, come on. It's okay. Oh, this just made my day. Kind of tricky getting up this cliff over here with this poor little girl in my hand, but I'm gonna do it. I'll get it back up here. All right. Poor Shirley, she's shaking and she's terrified. Look where she's hiding. Poor girl. In there. Almost there. Oh boy. Let's go this way. From where you said to go down, I went straight down. Got to the bottom, about 20 feet to my right. She was sitting down behind a rock shaking. Poor girl. I'm glad she's a small dog. If she was a big dog, oh, I would have a hard time. There you go. Easy.
Shirley.
Look, Shirley. You got home. You got your family back.
Ready for some water?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We found Shirley. Oh, look at poor baby. She's been in the bush, the valley for, I don't know, 5 days or so by herself. She's old. She's partially blind.
Wow.
Now she's looking, she's wagging her tail. Yeah. Oh my God.
She's excited.
She's happy.
It's like it's people.
Yeah. So we brought her back up to her owner. She's back in the house right now. And she's happy, I'm happy, Miriam's happy, the owner's happy. It's a happy day, everybody.